News, Mohan Bhagwat has now raised the issue of Manipur once again and said that the focus should now shift to nation building. He has also said that there is a need to fast-track peace in Manipur on a priority basis. He said that there will be strides that are being made in the fields like economy and defense, but Manipur is still waiting for peace. He has further added that we as a nation should now get over the election frenzy and think about the issues that the country faces. It is important to note that the conflict between the Meiteis and the Kukis has resulted in more than 200 deaths and left thousands of people homeless. Let's quickly listen in to what was said.
अब 1 साल से मणिपुर शांति की राह देख रहा है। उसके पहले 10 साल शांत रहा। पुराना गन कल्चर समाप्त हो गया ऐसा लगा, और अचानक जो कलह वहां पर उपज गया या उपजाया गया, उसकी आग में अभी तक जल रहा है, त्राही त्राही कर रहा है। कौन उस पर ध्यान देगा? प्राथमिकता देके उसका विचार करना ये कर्तव्य है।
My colleague Nibir Deka with us on the broadcast. Nibir, if you can take our viewers through the current situation as far as Manipur is concerned.
We just heard RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat highlighting the pressing need to address the ongoing conflict in Manipur, stressing that the state has been yearning for peace over the last 1 year or so. And this has been 1 year since Manipur has been waiting for peace, he stated in his address. And that has been, we have been seeing time and again instances of violence in the state, although there was quite some time for peace. But in the last week or so, we saw how violence escalated in Jiribam, which still continues with people fleeing to the Assam side of the border. Yesterday, we had an advanced envoy of the Chief Minister of Manipur ambushed before his visit to the violent strike area of the state. So the instances of violence and the tensions continue in Manipur, and as such, Mohan Bhagwat has talked about highlighting the need to address the ongoing conflict in the state, and also talked about how the state has been waiting for peace for the last 1 year or so, ever since the violence broke out last year during May time. Back to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.